Good evening to all of you. Today I want to talk about the personality. Personality is a thing which is related to our internal features. What features we are having in, due to which we are known among the people that are called personality. Personality means way to behave with others, way to speak, way to think, way to help others, maintain discipline, to pay respect to others, be fair, punctuality, discipline, and many more like this. If you are having this value, if you are having these features in our life, definitely we are the person of good personality. Personality does not depend on our financial status, outward appearance, belonging to the rich family, belonging to the political family, and belonging to the poor family. A person who comes from the poor, rural areas, remote areas can also have a good personality. Personality, about what I talked earlier, is a feature, internal features, which are born in our heart, and these also depend on our thinking. Personality can be developed not only in town but also in remote areas. In remote areas also there is a lots of things through which we can develop our personality. If we become success to develop our personality, it means we are a successful person, because these features always make me enable to do a good thing. It also make me stop to doing bad things, repeating the mistake. That is why we become a stronger and stronger internally and externally every day. Nowadays, almost all among us facing with new kinds of challenges, and these challenges harass me both physically, mentally, and economically. But the answer of this harassment from all these sides are personality. Personality, due to the not a strong personality, good personality, we always feel harassed. We become compelled to think bad, or sometimes even to follow the illegal and bad path. It is the personality who always make me stable to stand and walk on the right path. It also make me balance mentally, physically. Economically, balance is the other thing. If we do well, definitely we will be balanced. We will also be balanced economically in the society. Nowadays, we are passing through different kinds of viruses. COVID-19, black fungus is some among them. So, the good personality is necessary and needful today. A person of good personality, a strong personality, definitely they will also morally strong, and they are having a strong character. Personality also depend on character and moral value. If you are morally strong and having the strong character, definitely we will be able to defend that kinds of the viruses which are dangerous, which are killing a lots of the people every day from all around the earth. So, to save ourselves from different kinds of attack along with the viruses, we should have the great personality. To develop the great personality, we should follow the rules of discipline. We should know moral value, importance of moral value. We should respect to all, senior and junior, younger and elder. If we want to have respect from them, it is also a part of good personality. If you like this video, please subscribe it and also push the bell so that my next video will reach you first. Thank you.